How you doing, everybody? This is Max Farrow. This is Dex FX World. This is Trading with Max. Second trades of the morning that I'm in. I had two signals come over. Now listen, signals are all about learning the process of trading, right? Signals aren't just follow them blindly. You could and have a very good ROI. Why? Because that's what this is. You know, this is not a bad ROI for a system, okay? Because you got about 500 something pips a day that you can follow with if you're trading during a particular time. Last month in July, there was just for the U.S. session, there was 1,395 pips in that process. If you traded every single trade, okay, during that session. But this isn't about just following a signal when it comes over. And why I'm telling you this in the beginning of this is because there is a process of having tools in front of you. And sometimes the signals can be faked out. If they didn't see something, if that inspired them to move in a certain direction, we'd be 100% correct all the time. Right? Now, the system is learning, and we learn from it by all the data. But let me show you one of the things that I use to see if the signal is in the right frame of mind for that market. So, the Audi JPY and Euro JPY both came out with a buy. Good, convergence here. Good correlation of direction. Okay, they both got a JPY quote, and they both got a good success rate above 60%. So this is a good thing to look at. So when I get there, I get over to my chart, I look at the Audi JPY, immediately, well, of course, there's a big bar happening right now, so it's good that I didn't get in. This bar is where the signal came out. And the reason why is that, one, I'm looking at a very neutral MACD at this point, okay, and with a little bit of curvature happening from this last bar, but the curvature wasn't there. It was just a real neutral volume, and you had some pretty prominent support and resistance. Because it's underneath it right now, it's considered a resistance area now. If I would have gotten into this, we would have been 11 pips in already in the opposite direction. Now, but what I did do is on the Euro JPY, I did get in on the opposite direction. And you can kind of already see now I've secured a couple of pips here. Okay. And the reason why I did this was because, and I went with the opposite value of my signals, because again, it was a very positive up, but there was a little bit of neutrality here. And then I was feeling that it was about to pop out. So I put in a trade. Now, I didn't give myself a lot of movement here. In fact, what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to move to right around here. Now, I've just broken even and secured at least 2 or 3 pips, and I brought it to structure. If it shrinks back and grabs onto that, then oh well. But now what I've done is I'm zeroing out my trade almost immediately to get to that point. Now I might come down and shrink it and grab some more because it looks like it's really curling now, which I'm going to do. I could also put a trailing stop on by right-clicking the green line, go to trailing stop, and put it real close to like 15 points or something like that. Okay. So I'm also going to allow this thing to really shrink in. Because I'm on a reversal trade, I'm really going to pay attention to it, okay? Because it's very important to me. And in fact, I'm going to keep dragging down here. This is incredible. Now I know it's going to pop it off right now, but I just secured another 17, 18 pips, okay? Because I'm paying attention to the market value here. All right, so we're waiting here. And in fact, let me check over on our system here, economic calendar, at 10 o'clock. Yep, we did have some news. The FOMC came over. Let me get back to here we go. So this is trading during the news. So paying attention just a little bit to current market value and also knowing, oh, that would have been a big one too. Hopefully the Euro JPY will do the same here. No, and oh, almost. Now, I treat the signals as an event, something happening. There we go. Just pulled another $183 profit margin right there. So not too bad. 183 dollars profit margin right there. That's the USD CHF. Sorry, it's 100. Let me pull it down here. There it is. It's $153. There's the Euro JPY. 153. I'm on a standard lot because my account can handle it. I am trading demo for complete disclosure. Okay, I am trading demo, but the practices are still the same. Whether this is a micro lot, a mini lot, or a standard lot, it doesn't matter. What matters is that we just secured 17 pips in a matter of moments by paying attention to the market. We could have done it over here as well, but again, when you're doing a reversal on a pair that really gives you all the signals for a reversal, go with the best pair, but go with your gut. And I did, and we got 18 pips out of it. So I'm happy with that. No woulda, shoulda, couldas. All right, that's my time. Make sure that you like and subscribe the video that you're watching right now, and subscribe to the channel for Dex FX World so you can see and get emails with more of these, because you'll get little tidbits from me on training on how to do some of these trades, just like we did right there. We predicted this process by just paying attention to our MACD, our Dex MACD over from Indicators.net. And very powerful that we were able to secure that pippage very quickly. That brings me up to about 200 and something bucks for the day, almost 240 bucks for the day here on the 10th of August. So I'm happy with that. My goal is about $400 a day for me personally. For the company, it's about $1,000, which we're well above already because we traded through the night. All right, I'm Max. This is Dex FX World. We'll see you next time.